So recently a large PVC compound manufacturer reached out to us. I guess they've got a new product that they've been working with that they need to precision cut to specific sizes. They shared that they'd reached out to several other CNC router manufacturers and cutter manufacturers and were kind of brushed off due to the unique properties of the substrate. Around here, we're always up to try something new, so we asked them to box up some samples and send it over, and we'll do what we do. So I guess I could have been doesn't look like anything hard. So what we have here is some flexible yet rigid PVC compound substrate. It's more durable and longer lasting than the traditional rubber matting that it'll likely be replacing. And as it's manufactured from recycled materials, it's certainly more environmentally friendly. So one of the obstacles that the manufacturer is attempting to overcome is the cutting of this material. Currently they have workers that are cutting this by hand with utility knives, and they need a more precise and automated production process. So that's where we come in. What we're going to do is place this on a 4-foot by 8-foot table. It's got a vacuum hold down system that is going to secure this substrate in place while it's being cut. So our friends over at CNC Parts Pro sent us one of their drag knife attachments. It's a great option for cutting just about any material that you would cut with a traditional utility knife. Their knife fits right into any of our systems, so be sure to pay them a visit if you've got an application that a knife would be the ideal tool for. So let's get to cutting. You can get more information on the best tool for your application by heading over to industrialcnc.com.